Welcome to the YouTube channel Just Information. I hope you all are fine. Today we will learn class 8 Physics chapter Pressure part 6. In this part we will solve question based on formula P is equal to HdG. Before that, we'll see a statement of Pascal law. It is Pascal's law states that an increase of pressure at any point in a liquid at rest is transmitted without change to every other point in the liquid, that is equally in all directions. Now we'll start solving the questions. Our first question is, calculate the vertical height of mercury column which exerts a pressure of 81,600 Pascal. Density of mercury is 13.6 gram centimeter minus cube and acceleration due to gravity is equal to 10 meter square raised to minus 2. So we know the formula is PhD of pressure after that given is, this is the mercury, or we'll take this point. Given is that we have to find, first of all we have to find the vertical height, means depth. What is the height? Next given is pressure of the mercury, 81,600 Pascal. Next is density is equal to 13.6 gram centimeter raised to minus cube. And after that G is equal to 10 meter second raised to 2. Before that, first thing is given that the pressure is given in the Pascal, so we should convert this gram centimeter minus cube to kg, so it will become 1600. Now we'll put it in the formula, 13600 kg. After that the formula is H into D into G. We have to find H, means P upon D into G is equal to H. After that we'll put the values. P means pressure is 81600 upon 13600 into 10. 10 is gravity, acceleration due to gravity. This is equal to height. Zero cut, 0 cut. Remaining 816 upon 1360 is equal to height. After that, by simplifying this, our answer will come 0.6 is equal to height. So therefore, height will be 0.6 meter. I hope you've understood this question. This was an easiest question. After that, means in next part 7, we'll learn about fluid pressure depends on size, space and area. First we'll in this part only, first we'll learn about this. Does fluid pressure depend on size, shape and area? So the fluid pressure is the same in every cases, if whether it is square shaped vessel or any type of vessel, but it doesn't affects and it depends on the size, shape and area. But when fluid pressure is the same in all cases, it is independent of shape, size and area of the containers. After that, in another part 7, we'll learn about application of Pascal's law and who invented it, purpose, description of the law and activity and understanding. For any queries and doubt, you can join the Telegram link given in the description of this video. The updated version of Foundation of Class 8th and 7th links are given in the description. Go and check through it. Please go and check through it. I hope you've understood this part and thank you for watching.